guys, welcome to another video. Today I received through the mail a charcoal grill. Me being a fanatic of charcoal and wood for like grilling and cooking, I'm really excited about this. So it's a company that has sent this. It's Royal Gourmet. It's a 24-inch grill, and the characteristics that I really love the most for now is that the charcoal tray has the ability to either raise it up or lower, and so you have more control on where you're cooking a steak or any other kind of food. That's exciting for me, so let's jump into the unboxing. We're gonna look for the components and then assembling it and looking into how it looks in the end for like showing you the final product. Alright guys, let's go move forward before the airplane takes over my audio here. Okay, here is the box. As you can see, 24-inch, has a cover, so that's cool because the cover is included. I don't have to worry about the weather. Okay, so I already took everything out of the box. As you can see, there's a lot of pieces. Starting from there, we got the ashtray, a couple of components over here, the cover, that's already included. This is the actual housing of the grill part. That's the ashtray that goes up and down. Legs front and back, rubber, or not, it's not rubber, it's like a footer that goes in the bottom of the legs here. Thermometer handles. One of them is for like opening the charcoal door, the other one is for raising and lowering the tray. Dampers, well, dampers over here. We got grates, side panels, and wheels. Also we have the smoker, the stacker, or whatever it's called. Instruction and booklet, and also you know, screws and whatnot, just to be able to finish all this. So yeah, there you have it. Okay, so I'm gonna focus on assembling it. I'll let you guys know my final opinion on how easy or how hard was the assembly part. But yeah, really excited for this. So I'll get back to you when it's already done. I'll show you how it looks. Yeah, let's do it. This is how it looks, guys. I'm pretty satisfied with this addition. Forgot to mention there's a bottle opener here. There's another vent you can control. As you can see, has a vent, thermometer. This is how it looks from the inside. We have a upper shelf, the grates, the door, and then you can lower or go up. Cool. Anyway guys, I am back here after assembling the Royal Gourmet grill. So the pros, so far it's really good. I mean, the product itself, it's passable, it's not expensive, it's a good beginner's grill if you want to start doing it. It has the option of raising, lowering the charcoal bed or charcoal tray, so that's more control on the temperature of what you're cooking versus a traditional grill where you don't have that option. And it's a really nice looking one. The cons, so far the cons is that it's a little flimsy, feels like low quality in the metal. Actually during the assembly it bent a little bit, unfortunately, some of the parts. So, but I mean, it's great for, like, again, if you're beginning and doing the grillings, I would recommend having one of these. I'm pretty sure there's like other options that are more expensive, and of course the quality would change drastically. But other than that, it's a good addition for me. I'm not complaining about it, so I think we're good to go. Hey, it's another day, but I included this part of the video. Right now, what I'm doing is following the suggestions of the manufacturer to do a pre-fire, basically the first burn. So the suggestions were on the manual. You have to light coat with oil the interior of the lid and just let it burn for I believe 2 hours at least. So that way you protect the materials from, you know, excessive usage of heat and all that. So right now I have that first burn. It's coming a lot of smoke and it's roaring. It's really hot. This thing can get up all the way up to 800 Fahrenheit. The suggestions from the manufacturer is that you should never reach more than 400 Fahrenheit degrees. This thing is really hot. So smoking right now, doing the first burn, and we're gonna do some cheeseburgers, so it's gonna be nice first cookout on this grill. All right, we're gonna look at this thing, see how we're looking here. So right now it's 300. I'm able to control with this bend and the one in the bottom here. I already put some old and some new because we're gonna start doing our hamburgers tonight. Anyways, I wanted to say that this meat press is actually a gift from my wife. It is our 6th anniversary, so thank you, honey, for this press. It's really what I needed. So I'm not gonna use it today, but just wanted to mention how cool is that. Okay, I got some Angus here, seasoned with SPG. Oh, this one broke a little bit. Let's see if we can hear that sizzle. That's music to my ears. Well, that's it for today's video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. I will continue grilling my cheeseburgers here. So if you find this video exciting or useful, please let me know in the comments. Please like, subscribe, and let me know what you think. See you guys in the next one. Take care.